Hey everyone, it's me Sameen here. Hope you all are doing well. I am back with an amazing hack of winged eyeliner. I hope you will enjoy this video, so keep watching. So for this hack, I need a comb. You can take any. This is dirty, but I will tell you that what we are going to do. So we will break a teeth of this comb. I know it looks strange, but not funny. So here I got a teeth of this comb. Now I am going to clean it up. You can wash it out and sanitize. So really, here is a neat and clean teeth. So next I am going to apply a kashee gel eyeliner on these. You can use any gel eyeliner. This is super easy to measure that both eyes winged are same. So let's move on to apply. I am going to put it on the outer side of the eye and apply. So, oh my god. So it's done. Now I am going to apply the rest of eyeliner with this with the help of this brush. It's super easy and super amazing eyeliner hack. I hope you will try. Will you try now?
वाह क्या सीन है.
A few moments later.
So here is a done eyeliner hack. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and share. Next I am going to apply this concealer with a brush to get a neat look of my
2,000 years later.
I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Also press the subscribe button and click on bell icon for more videos. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.